Good afternoon everyone, and welcome to another video. Now in this one, against the usual YouTube car vlogging norms, I'm not going to be doing any modifications. LSD aside, I kind of think BMW pretty much got it right from the off with this one. Also, this video isn't sponsored by anyone. I have no discount codes, and I'm not going to be telling you about the latest greatest thing that is absolutely sick, bruv. Sorry. So yeah, you'll find none of that here. Instead, you'll just get my usual long-term, genuine, honest ownership experiences and thoughts from someone who's not actually that passionate about cars per se, but who is absolutely passionate about driving. And speaking of long-term ownership, I had my 2017 Mark III Ford Focus RS, and I owned that for 534 days. It was a lot of fun, but it wasn't the greatest ownership experience. Currently in this thing, BMW's M140i, I'm up to 464 days since I picked it up, and unless in the next 10 weeks I have a catastrophic engine failure, it looks at the moment like I'm going to fly through that 534 day marker. So I'm planning ahead, and on day 534 in this, I'm going to make a video comparing this against the Focus RS, giving an honest review of the ownership of the two over a combined 1,068 days. I want to cover road performance, track performance, lots of data, costs of ownership, anything and everything really. Well, that's the plan anyway. I think it'll be fascinating to look back and see just how similar, but also how very different the two cars are. Wow. So I'm after some ideas. If you have anything that you'd like me to cover in that video, or any pointers or suggestions, please do leave them in the comments below. If you leave it, I'll do my best to cover it and answer it honestly and truthfully, and where possible with some facts and data to back it up. In other news, the response to my last video where I covered my Peugeot 107, that really surprised me. It does seem that there are a lot of true petrol heads out there that really appreciate the absolute joy of getting into something, no matter what it is, and just driving it absolutely flat out everywhere. Lastly, I've had a couple of things arrive recently that have excited me far more than they should have really. Firstly, I received the 2020 members pack for my GRRC membership. I've now got the car sticker proudly displayed up there, but I'm not sure I'm going to be wearing the lapel badge. Tickets are booked for the members meeting in March, and AutoSolo #1 is just around the corner. I'm still leaning towards the Goodyear Eagle F1 Supersports for that, but then I think, stick with the PS4s. And then I think, no, F1 Supersports. Then PS4s, F1 Supersport, PS4s, F1 Supersports, PS4s, F1 Supersport, PS4s. I'll make up my mind eventually. And secondly, I'm waiting on the full year version of this, the MSA RS Clubman competition license. Now I know it means nothing really. I'm sure many people have got these and even full competition licenses, but it only took 5 minutes to apply for online. And I've been passionate about driving for as long as I can remember. This is the beginning of me being able to now officially measure myself and this car against others, starting with the GRRC AutoSolo competition in March. That day can't come soon enough. I really can't wait for that. Thank you for watching. As always, if you have any comments or suggestions, please do leave them below the video. I forgot something. People keep asking the question, is it safe to drive with DSE fully off all the time? Well, my question to you and to everyone is, why wouldn't it be?